Hello and good morning, guys. My name remains Oluwatosin, and I'm bringing you insights for the market, euro, gold, and Nasdaq this morning. Uh, so the fundamental or the eventual for the day, we have the non-farm payroll on to be released by 1:30 p.m. GMT plus one. So the NFP it was a surprise last time. We expected a lower number, we got a way higher number, and we saw the sell-off in the market, and mostly it signifies the fact that there may be an interest rate hike in the future. Some are even saying September right now. So a rate hike in September, that will be that will be massive. So and today we are slowly expecting a reduction in number, but the problem is the fact that after the last time in which markets are priced in for a lower number and got a higher number, I don't think anyone uh will be looking to position before the non-farm payroll is actually released today. So in that light, I'm not going to train this morning. I'm going to wait if we do have a surprise in the afternoon before I trade. So going to the technicals right now, you see that the euro, although I predicted it would go higher yesterday, we only had the spike by 2 o'clock yesterday. I've been trading that range since yesterday. Rejected from VWAP and VPOC here yesterday, and we've gotten there this morning again, and it does seem like we are rejecting again. So I'm holding my hand this morning, not willing to trade before the news release. So this is the spike. We spiked into previous days VPOC region as well, VPOC area as well. That's a rapid reaction. I don't want to short this. I don't want to long this. I just want to sit down with my hands full. So the news release, I'll mention a channel where I'm getting some info concerning the news release right now after the video has been recorded. So good as well. We had a climb yesterday, and it surged at around 2 o'clock as well. So it shows that some buying pressure inside the market. And I did wanted to long this yesterday. I was waiting for a pullback, but when the pullback came, I was no longer interested because time was not on my side. So today as well, having a crawl higher. But the problem is that I don't want to position before NFP, as I don't think anyone in their right mind, like I said, will be looking to position. Any big investor will be looking to position, in anticipation of the fact that we may have a lower NFP number. The news from the job report from the USA has been higher than expectation, which shows that the economy is doing very well. And we might have that rate hike in September as well. The geopolitical tension in the Middle East, we're not hearing much about that right now. It's not like it's cooled down. It's just that it's become just a norm, and people are just seeing it as something we have there. So this one as well, looking for longs during NFP. Uh but that is if we have a lower number, a far lower number than we expected, and that is the surprise I think we have today. We're expecting 114K, we might have 80, 70K will be a surprise, and gold and the rest are going to jump this afternoon. So something to look out for. And the Nasdaq as well. This one just kept grinding a bit lower yesterday. And like I said, I don't like the fact that we are making report at highs like this. So I think this is a reversal pattern. Although I was willing to long yesterday, not willing to short. And we have this downtrend now starting. And this is what is putting a dent on my idea of the gold buy, or the fact that the NFP number may come out lower than expected. I believe may come out as per expectation and will just consolidate. And also concerning the fact that there's US bank holiday tomorrow, would make a lot of sense. Not even for aggressive position before, but they may. So the support right now uh for US tech seems to be this flow. I don't want to be jumping the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. It seems to be this flow which we are breaking through. And let's not forget the last time NFP came, we had a dive on us all assets. So that may also happen today. And I've been using this link from YouTube. You can try looking at them as well. I like to follow other traders as well, some of which are very profitable in my region. This one, where are they? Where are they? So market. The platform is very interesting. I don't have the fund to buy it yet, but they are going to stream NFP. They streamed this last time, and they do have interesting calls. So if you go to the live stream, I'm sure they have NFP in preparation. So maybe feel free to join them today. I don't know where's the upcoming. Maybe they don't. Okay, they don't post upcoming. So just feel free to join us today, and that is the idea for this morning, guys. Mostly just holding my hand till NFP. I believe you should as well. Good luck and good trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.